how to use Wix for online store. Welcome everybody. This video I'm going to show you how to create your own Wix online store for free. The first step would be for you to go to wix.com, which you can see at the top here, which will then get you to this website. And as you can see, create a website you're proud of. So in order to do that, you click the Get Started button in the center, the blue button, and it says try Wix, no credit card required. So you can try this out, build your shop up from the start, and then if you generate income, you can go and buy the paid plan. So click Get Started. As you can see now, you will have to sign up, or you can log in if you already have an account. I'll be right back. So when you sign up for an account on Wix, you will have to go through this little questionnaire in order for Wix to get to know you a bit better and probably even create the website you want to go for on its own. So as you can see, let's bring your ideas to life, answer some questions to get the best tools for what you're creating. So click Get Started. As you can see, what kind of website are you creating? We'll do online store this time. And now you can even specify it: clothing store, jewelry, online store coming soon, crafts, accessories, luxury jewelry, sports goods. Let's do luxury jewelry. Click Next. Now you can enter your store name. Let's say how to global store. Next. Now, as you can see, what you want to add to your website. We currently have built in the online store, which we just told them before, a chat. So chat with site visitors, which will then increase your traffic and people stay on your site longer. You can do a blog, so you can drive traffic via SEO. You can maybe even enter a Instagram feed, which is good. But there are different options and more you can do. As you can see, bookings, you can do video, music, online programs, food orders, and all these other things, which you will then choose which one you need for your website. We'll just include the recommended ones for this tutorial. Click Next at the bottom. And as you can see, here, have you created a website before? You can now enter any of these. This is my first time, created a few, created many professional clients. Let's say this is the first time. And now get started. Let Wix ADI, which is their software, create a website for you, or you can create your own stunning website in the editor, which you can use a template for. You can click Start Now on the left if you want to answer a couple more questions and get the design made by Wix ADI software on your own, or choose a template. We'll do choose a template on the right, so we can customize it a bit more to our liking. As you can see, results for online jewelry, luxury jewelry store. These are a couple templates they would recommend us to use. Now you can scroll through this to see which ones you like. As you can see, there are many, many, many pages of these templates. And you then choose one. Let's say this one at the top right. As a watch store, you can view it. This is how it would look like. As you can see, use this template as a starting point. The important part with the Wix is that all these templates are optimized for mobile as well. As you can see, which is absolutely crucial in this day and age, because most of your traffic will be through mobile. And if your template is not optimized for mobile, your SEO and ranking on Google will be lower. So this is good. We'll go back, click Edit, which will now let us edit the template. So we're now in the Wix website editor in order to customize our online store. We are now in the Wix website editor for our store, and you can fully customize everything up here. Now you can add apps, as you can see here in the app market. Many, many things for you. As you can see, contact form, social media icons, map to locate your store if you have a physical store and this is only your website. all these things. You can do Wix bookings, events, chat, and then you can sell, upsell and cross-sell, e-commerce, custom software, and all these things. Let's do this upsell one, which is only a free trial, so let's not do that. Let's do this e-commerce customer support software. So click that. As you can see here, you can then just hit add to site, which will open up this extra thingy, and then click add to site. And this way your app will be installed on your online store. Now there are plenty of apps you can use, and a couple of ones you want to use probably in order to make it easier for you to sell online. For this one, you will have to enter a password and sign up, which we're not going to do. But what you can do is click the plus icon in the editor on the left, and now you can add a bunch of things. You can add text, images, buttons, a strip, decorative stuff, box, gallery, menu and anchor, so you can change how the menu looks like, and all these other things. And down here at store, you can see you can add a grid product gallery, slider product gallery, related products, and all these things. Add to cart button, which is very important. And as you can see here at the bottom, it even gives you related apps. You can do Printful, you can do Shippo, discounted rates, easy shipping. Now let's say we want to add this to our site. Click add. There we go. Adding Shippo will allow to manage orders, read products, and read basic site and business info. Click add. We might have to sign up for this as well, which we won't do, but you can do it if you need to. Now, this is our site already. We will have to change our pictures, and currently we're selling watches. Not sure what you're looking to sell, but I'm pretty sure you can then change these pictures to what you want to sell by clicking on my store on the left here, get started. And now you can see, go to dashboard or add products. You can add products by clicking that button. And now you can see our products. These are the ones we're currently selling, all these watches. You can delete them by hovering over it. On the right side, the three dots, and then you click delete. Yes, delete this watch. And in order to add a new product you want to sell, click new product. You can have a digital file, so an ebook, printable, or digital album, or physical, a t-shirt, shoes, or a skateboard, for example. So let's say physical. You can then title the product. Let's say we're selling ear. You can then add an image or a video even to display how the earring looks. Then add basic info as your product info. Name earring. And then add a description, which is important for you to increase SEO on your site. So do a keyword heavy description. Let's say luxury jewelry earring. And you can enter different keywords over here. You can then see pricing at the bottom here. For me, it's in euros because I'm in Europe, but you can enter the price here. Let's say it's $100. You could put show price per unit or on sale, discounted by 10%. Sales price would then be 90 euros. You can add a custom text, allow customers to personalize this product, add custom text field. They can then enter their wife's name into the earring. You can add different options depending on what you're selling. As you can see, for t-shirts and stuff, you can do size, M, S, L, XS, and all these things. You can track the inventory, which you can then say you have 100 pieces of those or 100 pairs. And that way you can tell the customer it's urgent because there are only 10 left, for example, which will create hype. You can also create coupons for people to buy because it's a lot cheaper that way. You can pretend that you're giving them a discount. So that creates a bit of buy pressure. Tick the show an online store box over here on the right in order for it to show up on your store itself. And then you can create collections and add it to your collection. Let's say collection earring or spring. Advanced, you can say it's fulfilled by me, yourself, or by someone else. You can start typing a brand name. Let's say these are, I don't know, Gucci earrings. So you do Gucci in here. Now that this is done, you can click save in the top right. Oh, you have a custom field which you have to tell them. Yeah, what would you like to have engraved in your earring? So this is the question. You can click mandatory, so they have to do this, or they can do it. Click save. Now we haven't connected a payment method yet, but that's for a different time. Now, as you can see, earring is over here. Once we close this out, there you go. No product is just the image which you would have changed to the picture or the video of the earring itself. So the next step would be for you to go to settings in the top left, go down to business info. This will now open up this pop-up on top of your editor. And on the left here, you will be in settings. Then you scroll down under e-commerce and finance. You want to click accept payments. As you can see at the top, we haven't connected a payment method, so no one can buy anything from us. But we need to, because otherwise we can't open our store. And as you can see, not connected. You can see accept credit debit cards with WIX is recommended. You then hit connect over here and connect your debit and Apple Pay and WIX point of sale things. You can also have PayPal, so connect over here, and manual payments, connect to accept cash or other things. There are, as you can see more payment options. By clicking that, you can do PaySafe Cash, Afterpay, Affirm, Point of Sale, Pinwheel, Klarna, Splitit, Nuvei, and all these other things. Crypto, you can do crypto, Alipay, Sizzle, and all these things, which you can then enter and connect in order for people to be able to pay and buy your products. Once you're happy with how the design looks, you click publish in the top right, and your site will be published. As you can see, this is the site name. Click view site, and as you can see, this is our store. This is the product we added. You can go to shop. There you go, and this is our earring. It used to cost €100. We had a sale with a 10% discount, so it's now 90. Click quick view, and as you can see, this is where you can enter the thing you want to engrave, and you can then add to cart. That's how to use Wix for online store. I hope I could help you out. If I did, please like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.